We got frost on Friday. We got green beans and we've got dead beans. Sounds like it's a pretty widespread area, but cotyledons are even brown on those, and then right there you've got a green one. Well, I had the beans on the earlier video, and this is the corn. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. It's all laid flat. The only thing is, the stem is still green. You can see it there. But yeah, froze pretty hard. You got big areas of really no color to it. So that'll be the next decision, what to do with the corn. They say patience. So we'll see if it can push through that dead matter. The corn pile again today. Just gonna give you an update on the frost. Sounds like no-till got hit the hardest. Strip till the second hardest, and conventional till pretty much survived, except down in the peat, low ground. The residue didn't let the heat off the ground, I guess. It was that close to freezing and not freezing. So the blacker the dirt, the better. Let's see, this is 5 days after the frost. It's not looking much better. There's a few that are shooting a green stem, but a lot of these are laid over yet. I'm gonna have to make the decision here in a day or so what we're gonna do with it. It's frustrating. You can see it's pretty dark here, and up on the hill it's green. They're trying, but I don't know, not looking too good. Check again tomorrow. I got a question for people. This low spot right here, you can see that the corn froze. And then right here is one plant touched just one leaf and one top here. All the rest are cooked. What's so special about that plant? Well, June 6th, we made the call this morning. Tore up the frozen part. I'm guessing it's about 38 acres roughly, 36, 38. Tore it up on low ground. Well, I guess we are gonna plant. Had Kelvin rolling it again. Pack her down.